Today, I will teach you how to make cheese steak.
Videos like this are currently blowing up the internet, and today I'm going to teach you how to create them. You can create AI cooking vlogs and get monetized within a very short period of time.
Today, I will teach you how to make cheese steak.
If you've been wanting to start up a cooking vlog and you do not want to show your face, with the right prompt, this AI tool can help you create any kind. In this video, I'll be showing you how to generate your prompt, how to generate your images, animate your image, how to add sound to your image. If this sounds like something you're interested in, click on that subscribe button and subscribe, because on this particular channel, I'll be dropping tips and tricks. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do that step by step. Let's go. The first you have to do is you head over to your ChatGPT, then you give it your prompt. So it will generate a well-structured prompt for you to use. So just input the characteristics of the cook in your prompt, the kitchen setup, everything, every detail, include it in your prompt. So it will generate a well-structured prompt for you to use. So once you are done, you also access to generate images for you. For this particular project, we're using 4 scenes. So it's going to generate 4 different images for you to use. Yes. So once you are done generating the images, you are going to save them. You save them one after the other. Then this is the first image, this is the second image. It will generate the first and second dot till the last image. Then you save it. Once you're done generating the images, it's time for you to give the image live. So we are doing that using Grok. So you sign up on Grok. If you haven't, but if you have, just go ahead and upload your image. Then you give it a prompt, like what you want the image to say per time, by each time. Just give it your prompt as well. Then you send it. You include the tone at which you want the image to sound like. Is repeat same process for all 4 images. Is giving it its different prompts. Yes. So once you are done, you save them. You download them to your phone. Make sure you download them one after the other so as not to confuse you. Make sure you listen to the generated video each time so as to make correction when necessary before saving your videos. This is to prevent any form of error that might occur. Yeah.
Our cheese steak is ready.
So to join your clips together, we are making use of CapCut. So you head over to CapCut, select all the 4 videos. Yes, select all the 4 videos and join them together. We're using CapCut for this particular step. Yes, so for each of those clips, we are adding keyframes to the end and the beginning of each of those scenes, just to give it a smooth flow, a smooth transition from one video to the other video. Then trim off all excesses when necessary. Yes, so as to give it a very smooth video.
Today, I will teach you how to make cheese steak.
Once you are done joining the clips, it's on time for you to add sounds where necessary. For this second scene, we're adding the sound of water flow. It's because she's washing her veggies. So we are adding the sound of water flow.
Vegetables to prevent contamination.
Then for the next scene, we are using a shopping sound. Yes, you go on the sound, you see several options for you to choose from. So select where appropriate. You just go through them. Anyone that resonates well with what you want to do, just select it and listen to it. Then you play your video over and over again to make corrections where necessary. So once you're done, just click on export. Then you export final results.
Today, I will teach you how to make cheese steak. Wash your vegetables to prevent contamination. This is my best part of making cheese steaks. Our cheese steak is ready.